Evilcrossover back with another review. This is for the Hexgears X5 mechanical keyboard. 108 keys, haiku keyboard. Has the quicksand switches, as they call it here. So we're going to definitely check it out. And it's type C, 2.4 gigahertz. Let's get it going. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. It's pretty hefty too. So this is definitely from Hexgears. If you've seen my other videos, they got some dope keyboards. Now let's go ahead and take a look. This is gonna be your new favorite, I'm telling you right now. Look at that nice tight packaging, love it. Let's get it going. Let's flip it over, see what we got. Presentation is always good by Hexgears. And boom, look at that. Look at this nice keyboard. Nice. They have the cover over here too. So you can cover it if you don't want to get dust buildup onto the keyboard. So that's super dope. That's always cool. Let's take the stuff out of the box here and see what we got. It does come with a wrist rest in the packaging. So that's super cool. That's super nice too. So with Hexgears, they have the quick start guide, X5 wireless mechanical keyboard. So it gives you all the steps here and how to connect. We have a keycap puller, so you can change the keycaps. Some more caps here, so you can customize it. So if you don't want the black with the the black and gray or the dark gray here, you can use some keycaps here, change up the colors. We have a braided USB-C to USB-A cable. So I love the braided, and comes with the wrap here, so you can wrap up your cable. So that's super clean. Actually, I'm gonna leave that out here. The wrist rest. So let's see how this looks. Let's pop this out. And they always come with everything you need. And they're always at a good price point too. So take a look. They might be on a good price when you take a look at the listing here. Then with that wrist rest, you have, again, the keyboard with the plastic. I like when they have the plastic, you just throw it over so you don't have, in the way, with the dust and everything. So, looks like it clips on right here. Oh, so it has like a little clicky. So that's cool. Look at that. Just comes right out. Put it back in. You don't need to go too rough here. Just, and then boom. I like that. That it's not right in like. So it has the 10 keys. So if you're like me that likes the 10 keys, has them here. Delete button and everything. F1 buttons. Has volume control buttons on the top here. Hexgear branding on the bottom. Nice switches also. All right. So let's see what we have in the back here. So we have your USB-C to USB-A port where you're going to plug in. It has the feet. So it has a double feet. So you can go low profile, higher profile. Transmitter for the wireless connection or dongle, however you want to call it. And it looks like feels like it's like magnetic. Yeah, that's super dope. Yeah, then it has the wraparound for the wiring, so it has a little indentation so you can keep your wiring clean. So that is nice. Let's take a look here. That is super clean. way. It's a USB-C connection. Boom. Oh, look at that. Has some nice color effect here. Let's see. Wow. So that's super nice also. And again, you can wrap the wiring right to the back here. That's nice. So we have the FN button. So that is nice. I like that. Especially when you have different colors on the keyboard. We have the volume for the FN button. Custom light mode is the FN and the N button. And home buttons. So if you do the FN, delete button. So we have the delete button, and then if we do the FN, let's see what else, the FN and N button. So the FN and N button gives you the WASD up and down buttons. You do FN and home button, so it has the breathing, just that. Page down button just turns off the lights. So all these function keys here gives you a different setup. So you have the breathing mode, just stays lit. So that is nice. So yeah, this is a great keyboard, especially for the price. And it's backlit, so it'll start just lighting up when you need to start pressing the keys. So it'll just go off so it doesn't stay on all night, or when you leave it alone on rest mode, it'll just come on once you start typing. So with a numpad, with keypad, with your wrist rest, wireless, plugged in, man, you can't beat that. Definitely go ahead and get yours. And we're going to catch you on the next one.